This is Kansas Hillbilly Prepper coming at you today with little news. Well, you see this little alarm system. This is my bomb smelling dog, you know. And well, my wife just brought home a new alarm system. Meet Maya. After the Mayans, to remind me and everybody else that prophecies don't mean everything in new life when it was supposed to be the end. But this is a new and a fresh one. So, he's a cute little booger. She, I mean.
Half Chihuahua.
Half Chihuahua, half Shih Tzu. Isn't that a cute little? Look at those spots. So, anyway, this is her. Say hi, Maya. And this is our new alarm system, or gonna be.
You know, Chihuahuas make good barkers, and Shih Tzus were used as early warning systems.
So, there's our early warning system again. My new warning system. Yeah. So, this is Kansas Hillbilly Prepper saying keep your family close. And give them lots of love. Hillbilly Prepper.